nagsasabi ka pa na wala siyang ginawa. Now, fast forward to earlier, or at least noong 2022 at earlier this year, bumisita si President kay newly elected President Prabowo Subianto, where he apparently successfully convinced Subianto to give Velasco to the Philippines. Probably dahil bagong presidente pa lang si Subianto at marami siyang human rights violations noong nakaraan, so he wants to wipe that out. At kailangan niya ng diplomatic points. Ngayon, gusto nang bigyan ng presidential pardon urged by human rights organizations, to which I say no. Bad for us. At least kung ganito kabilis ang gusto mong pagpardon sa kanya, na after ng Pasko, kailangan nandito na siya, nasa pamilya niya na siya. Hindi na ba enough na nasa Pilipinas siya at madali na siyang madadalaw ng kanyang pamilya? Kasi again, let me remind you, convicted na siya. Yan ang alam natin. At kahit na maraming umamin na dinupe nila si Mary Jane Veloso, did she not have the slightest tinge of curiosity? Bakit siya bibigyan ng dozens of thousands of pesos? I think it was like 20,000 pesos para pumunta sa Indonesia, dala ang isang suitcase, ang isang bagahe.